Ankita Lokhande has broke up with Vicky Jain. After the demise of Ankita Lokhande's ex-boyfriend Sushant Singh Rajput, Ankita's name has been taking place in the headlines frequently. Recently, news about Ankita has broken out that has shocked everyone in the B-town. As per the reports, Ankita Lokhande has broken up with her present boyfriend Vicky Jain after Sushant's sudden demise. Let us find out in this video that what happened between them that Ankita and Vicky ended in parting their ways. Ankita and Sushant Singh Rajput had a relationship of more than 6 years and their fans loved them. There were even talk in the town that these two stars were getting married soon, but later they parted ways that hurt their fans. After Sushant's demise, Ankita has stood up beside the devastated family of Sushant Singh Rajput and she is the only one to visit them. Though Ankita got into a relationship with Vicky years after her breakup with Sushant, fans always liked her with Sushant only. Which is why after Sushant's sudden demise, fans have started targeting Vicky Jain. Vicky is receiving hate comments on his post. People were commenting derogatory remarks on his post and was mocking his and Ankita's relationship too much. People even blamed Vicky for the untimely demise of Sushant Singh Rajput and that hurt him a lot. This is why Vicky even limited the comments on his post, but that did not help him much. The hatred is still continuing, and what broken Vicky's heart is that Ankita did not say a word to the public in support of him. And this started little differences between them, which started tearing them apart. Ankita was already very heartbroken and was not in a good state because of Sushant's demise, and the fights with Vicky devastated her. Vicky asked her not to get involved with the case anymore as it was tearing them apart, but Ankita wants to find the truth. Which is why she decided to end her relationship with Vicky currently, as their relationship was not working out at all. Fans of Sushant Singh Rajput thinks that if Sushant and Ankita would not have ended their relationship, then the actor might be alive now. What are your thoughts on this matter? Do you think Ankita did the right thing by ending her relationship? Let us know in the comments and do not forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates from Bollywood.